Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now is let me give you all the amounts. So this is about about 3 cloves of garlic. This is half of a red onion. Okay, maybe a little more than half of a red onion, but that's not gonna go into this. I'm gonna tell y'all about that in a minute. And this is 1/4 of a red pepper. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna so you gotta mince these up. Okay, so when it comes to food, you gotta make love to the food, man. You know, take your time with it, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this marinate, okay, overnight. All right, so I'm gonna get this up in there. I'm gonna pause this for a second.